What's good, traders? Today is September 10th. Let's see if we can catch a trade. The pairs I will be looking at today are EU and gold. I already have my charts marked out. Let's start from the daily on EU. Price tapped into this daily fair value gap. I'm looking for buys on the 1 hour. London session swept Asia's low, so we could potentially catch a reversal move to these draws. On gold, we have this daily fair value gap. On the 1 hour, we tapped into it. London expanded, so we can catch a continuation if price comes back to this hourly fair value gap, which it is doing right now. Market is open. On Forex Factory, we do have 7:30 news, core PPI, so I'm kind of against the fence whether or not I want to trade, but if a setup presents itself before 7:30, then I'll get in. But if a setup presents itself like right before news, then I'm not going to take a trade. If my draws are hit with the news candle that comes out, then I won't trade. So hopefully we can be off the charts before 7:30. Okay, for gold, this is also a sweep of liquidity. Last time, or yesterday, I got in once we changed in the state pretty early into the session, which caused me to lose. So today, I'm going to be more patient and wait for a sweep of liquidity in the session. So let's see if we can get that. I just marked out my news candles on the pairs that I will be trading today. Okay, price is making a swing low right here. Let's see if we can get a sweep. Let's see if gold can put in a new swing low. Looks like gold is on its way to change the state of delivery. I don't see gold pulling back to take out any liquidity. But like I said, today I'm going to be patient and wait until we sweep liquidity in the session. Looks like we couldn't get the change in the state in gold, so I'm glad I waited. Let's see if price can make a new swing low or sweep this swing low and then change in the state. Looks like we're on our way to take this swing low on euro. We're also on our way to take this swing low on gold as well. We have about 50 minutes to the news candle. Looks like we took this swing low on EU. If price can give me a change in the state right here, that would be amazing. And same with gold. Looks like we ended up taking this sell side liquidity. Now let's see if we can get the change in the state. I like this rejection on EU. I would like to see some displacement. For those of you who get displacement confused with change in the state, it's essentially just where smart money steps into the market. If I was to get in a trade, I probably would go break even pretty early, but it looks like we're getting some good push on EU. EU looks like the pair I might be trading, honestly. I would get in around here, put my stops just below this swing, and target these highs up here. Okay, let's see if we can get this closed. Looks like we couldn't get the close. It seems like price is continuing to push. Okay, I am now in this trade. I got in right there. Put my stops just below the candle that made this fair value gap. We have our change in the state. We ended up sweeping liquidity. If we could get a nice push with this candle, I think I would go break even because we have 25 more minutes until news. Let's see how this candle closes. I might go break even after this candle. Okay, looks like we came pretty far down. I most definitely think that I should have went break even. So not only should I have went break even, but looks like price is coming pretty far back. Honestly, might get stopped out. So I've been stopped out. I really should have went break even just because we were so close to news, but honestly, it is what it is. I'm glad that I didn't risk as much as I usually do. But yeah, if you stayed this long, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.